Hey there, fellow Facebook users. Have you ever clicked on an ad in the Facebook app and then wondered where it went or what happened next? In 2025, with the latest updates to the app, it's easier than ever to track the ads you've interacted with. This can help you manage your online activity, revisit interesting products, or even understand how ads are targeting you. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to see the ads you clicked on, step by step. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Facebook app on your smartphone. Open the app and log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner for iOS users or top right for Android. This will bring up your main menu options. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. It's usually towards the bottom of the list. From there, tap on Settings. Now, look for the Your Information or Activity section. Facebook has updated this for 2025 to make it more user-friendly. Tap on Your Activity to see a log of your interactions on the platform. In the Your Activity page, you'll find a search bar at the top. Type in Ads or Advertisements to filter your history. This will show you a list of ads you've viewed, clicked, or engaged with. For more details, tap on any specific ad entry and you'll see the date, time, and even why it was shown to you based on Facebook's algorithms. One cool new feature in 2025 is the Ad Review option. If you go back to Settings, under Ads, you can select Ad Activity to get a summarized report. This is super helpful for privacy-conscious users. Remember, if you want to stop seeing certain ads, you can always adjust your ad preferences from here. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll have full visibility into the ads you've clicked on the Facebook app. This not only keeps you informed but also empowers you to control your digital experience. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.